Today we have an awesome device to introduce you to, the Shelly 1L switch. The Shelly 1L can convert any existing light switch into a smart light switch. Get ready to transform your home into smart heaven with this compact yet powerful gadget. The Shelly 1L switch is a game changer when it comes to home automation. With its advanced features and ease of use, it's a perfect choice for those looking for control their lights, appliances and more, all from convenience of their smartphones. In short, the difference between Shelly switch and Shelly switch 1L is that 1L is more specifically intended to be used to control lights, and 1L can be connected without neutral wiring. The Shelly 1L can convert any existing light switch into a smart light switch. You don't need to change the wiring, run new cables or anything else. Just put the Shelly behind the existing light switch. There's no neutral wiring required. Many light switches are wired with no neutral present, which makes them difficult to automate. In the box, we get an instruction with clear wiring diagrams and the 1L switch itself, which is pretty small in size. Its price is around $20. It is a one-channel switch with a maximum load of 4.1 amps. Let me mention that you need to add the bypass if the resistive load is under 20 watts and if you connect it without neutral like we will in this video. Operational temperature is from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Wireless connectivity is 802.11 BGN on 2.4 GHz frequency. The size of this switch is 39 by 36 millimeters. In case of high temperature, Shelly will switch off the output to protect itself and your home appliances. You can schedule your lights to turn on and off automatically. You can also integrate Shelly with your existing home automation system. Installing the Shelly 1L switch is a breeze. Its compact design allows for easy integration into your existing electrical infrastructure. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll have it up and running in no time. We will install this switch without neutral using the bypass according to this wiring scheme. In this case, just for demonstration, I will use the Shelly Duo bulb, which already has the smart switch in it, so this would not make sense to do in practice. I just took it because it was the closest bulb to my hand. You can check my other video reviewing smart Shelly Duo bulb. Also, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Once installed, the magic begins. The Shelly 1L switch connects to your home Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control your devices remotely. Whether you're in another room or miles away from home, you have full control at your fingertips. The Shelly app is where the real magic happens. It provides a user-friendly interface for monitoring and controlling the smart switch from anywhere. Shelly 1L switch goes beyond basic control. It supports voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, allowing you to control your devices with simple voice commands. Imagine effortlessly adjusting your lights or appliances just by saying a few words. But wait, there's more. The Shelly 1L switch is incredibly versatile. It works with a wide range of devices, from traditional incandescent bulbs to LED lights and even motorized curtains. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the energy-saving benefits. With the Shelly 1L switch, you can easily monitor and optimize your energy consumption. It provides valuable insights into your usage patterns, helping you make smarter choices and save money on your electricity bills. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a smart home beginner, or someone looking to enhance their lifestyle, the Shelly 1L switch is a great device. It brings convenience, control, and energy efficiency to your fingertips. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to the incredible features of the Shelly 1L switch. And that's it. In case you appreciate my work and want to support me, become my Patreon member and use my affiliate links in the description. Thank you. I hope you learned something new and found useful information in this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. Good luck.